Hi everyone, welcome to Igbo class. Today we want to look at how you can start your 5 days free trial. So starting it is very easy. All you need to do is go to www.igboclass.com. If you look at my URL, I have www.igboclass.com. Enter to mobile view. This is what it looks like in mobile. So all you simply need to do is, we have seen this place. I can click on my start free trial. So this time around, I want to log in with Google to continue. So if you don't want to sign up, like typing this and so on, a quick way to start your learning is simply by clicking continue with Google. So once I click continue with Google, to check whether I'm logged into Google, for me I have 3 accounts. I am logged in into Google. Your own case may be 1 account or maybe 2 accounts you signed in into Google. So if you don't have any, then Google will open their normal sign up and ask you to sign up with their local account first. So but I believe that maybe you are logged in with Google already. So since I'm logged in on my Google, so I can click on any of them. I click on the first one. The fact that it's going to load. So once it loads, I'm now logged in because I'm seeing go to dashboard. Initially, I don't have this go to dashboard in this place, and if I click on go to dashboard, you notice that I'm back to dashboard. If I scroll down, I can start seeing things on my page. So let me click on login with afansba@gmail.com. So sometimes when you click on it, 2 options, Google may bring this page for you. All you need to do is you click continue. But sometimes Google will not bring this page, it will log you in directly. So depending on the scenario or whatever you see. So you see on my own, I have to click continue, then before I can see myself logged in to access my dashboard. So almost the same thing, when you access your dashboard, you should be able to see that free trial course we have. You can simply click continue, or you go to this menu. This menu takes you to my classes. So in this my classes, I'm seeing the time counts down again. I can see the course that I have for free trial. I can click on it, then it opens. Welcome to Foundations in Igbo. We have taken the first step on an exciting journey to learn Igbo language. We are excited to have you join us. So this is just showing you basic thing about how the module works. So telling you that you can turn your screen to landscape to get a better experience, no watching videos. So all we need to do is click on start your learning journey. So when I click start my learning journey, I'm able to see different topics I'm meant to cover. Then if I scroll up, I will see the actual video. I can click on the video, which will also start playing if I'm on mobile view. So
welcome to Igbo class.
So while the video is playing, I have option of I want it to be full screen. It can be an option. So there is this 4 angle shape. If you look at the directional shape, you can click on it to make it full screen. So if you're on phone, you make it full screen, then rotate your screen. You see now I have
In today's video, we'll be talking about Igbo words that begins with the letter D. Mkpụrụ Igbo ndị ji mkpụrụ edemede D wee malite. Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Igbo words that begins with the letter D. D.
So I can pause at any time, then go back, click on that angle again, close this section. So I'm back to my normal screen. So rotate it back to portrait view, my phone. So as simple as that, you can click on start module assessment. You see the instructions, start assessment. You can start seeing assessment. As I answer, next, answer again, next, answer, next, answer. So if you're able to get at least 2. So in my own case, I don't know how many I got. You answered 1 out of 4 questions correctly. So mean that I failed. I got only 25%, and I need 70% passing mark for me to move to the next module. So I can retake this assessment or go back to that course and rewatch the video, so I can go back and rewatch this video to make sure that I'm learning very well. So that is it on how you can start your free 5 days free trial. Thank you so much, and check out the next video to learn how you can do many other things like view a class, find a tutor, become a tutor, register a school, about Igbo class, how to book a personal tutor, and so on. See you in the next video. Bye.